Welcome to FOSS Pulse News, your free and open source software daily news. Slimbook unveils new laptops for Linux enthusiasts. Slimbook recently launched two new laptops tailored for Linux users, enhancing their portfolio with the Slimbook One Mini and the Slimbook Executive. The Slimbook One Mini is a compact device designed to be lightweight yet powerful, featuring Intel's latest processors and efficient battery life. It caters to professionals on the go who need reliable performance without carrying bulk. Adobe has unveiled a beta version of Photoshop available for Linux users. This marks the first time Adobe's popular photo editing software is accessible on this platform, expanding its reach to millions more users worldwide. The new release includes essential features like layer management, filters, and extensive file format support, making it appealing to both amateur and professional photographers. With cloud integration, users can seamlessly sync their work across devices. Linux 7.0 enhances Apple's Silicon support. The upcoming release of Linux kernel version 7.0 includes significant updates for Apple Silicon devices, particularly improving support for USB Type-C ports. This advancement addresses previous compatibility issues by updating the device tree configurations, allowing better integration and functionality with various peripherals through these modern connections. PyTorch 2.10 enhances GPU support. The new PyTorch 2.10 release introduces notable enhancements for both AMD ROCm and Intel GPUs, focusing on performance boosts and expanded functionality. This update includes a series of optimizations aimed at improving computation speeds and memory usage, particularly benefiting AI developers who rely on these GPUs for their projects. The Mesa 26.0 RC1 release focuses on significant improvements for Radeon graphics via the RADV. This release emphasizes better performance and compatibility with a range of hardware platforms, including new features that enhance gaming experiences and application responsiveness. The RADV updates include optimizations to Vulkan API support, resulting in smoother frame rates and reduced latency. Additionally, enhancements for Intel graphics aim at improving both 2D and 3D rendering efficiencies, while NVIDIA continues to evolve with better stability and feature set expansions. Reduced wake-up latency in Xeon CPUs with simple code change. Researchers have discovered that a minor adjustment to a single line of code significantly reduces wake-up latency on modern Xeon processors by up to 5 times. This finding emerges from the ongoing efforts to enhance performance efficiency in computing systems, particularly focusing on power management and response times. The XDG Desktop Portal has reached version 1.21 with significant enhancements such as a reduced. This update focuses on accessibility by allowing users to minimize screen animations for a more comfortable viewing experience, particularly benefiting those sensitive to motion or working in low light conditions. Additionally, the inclusion of LineApp's app support broadens compatibility with Chinese software, integrating seamlessly into existing desktop environments. Linux retires aging HIPPI networking protocol. The Linux community is phasing out the HIPPI networking protocol, which was once pivotal for supercomputer connectivity. Originally introduced in 1986, HIPPI offered near gigabit speeds that were groundbreaking at the time, but have since become outdated with technological advancements. As of its retirement, users are encouraged to migrate their systems to more modern protocols like InfiniBand and Fibre Channel, which provide superior speed and efficiency for contemporary supercomputing needs. AMD enhances Linux for next-generation EPYC processors. AMD has released a series of patches to enhance Linux compatibility with upcoming EPYC processors, featuring technologies like GLB, EGLSB, TLB, and PEGLSB. These updates focus on improving the integration between AMD's next-gen hardware and Linux systems, ensuring better performance and stability for users. The General Load Balancing Engine GLBE aims to optimize workload distribution across CPU cores, enhancing efficiency. AMD ROCm 7.2 enhances graphics support. The latest release of AMD's ROCm software stack version 7.2 offers expanded support for additional Radeon graphics cards and introduces ROCm Optic, a performance analysis tool aimed at optimizing machine learning workloads. This update is part of AMD's ongoing efforts to improve the compatibility and efficiency of its open-source platform designed for high-performance computing applications. prominent Intel compiler expert joins AMD. An experienced Intel compiler engineer has joined AMD to bring advanced expertise in optimization and performance enhancement. This move indicates a strategic shift, as the engineer's deep knowledge could significantly benefit AMD's compiler technology development. Known for contributing to Intel's architecture improvements, his insights are expected to drive innovations at AMD. ReactOS hits 30-year milestone in emulating Windows. ReactOS has reached a significant milestone, celebrating 30 years of development as an open-source implementation of the Windows operating system. Created to offer a free alternative to Microsoft's proprietary software, ReactOS aims to provide compatibility with Windows applications and drivers while adhering to open-source principles. NVIDIA GeForce Blackwell GPU, specifically the Gigabyte 10 variant, surpasses the AMD Ryzen AI Max plus Strix. The review reveals that while both configurations are designed for high-end computing tasks, the NVIDIA setup delivers superior efficiency and speed in handling complex workloads. This is attributed to NVIDIA's advanced architecture, which integrates AI capabilities directly into its processing units. Users can expect faster data processing times and enhanced multitasking abilities. Affinity Designer runs on Linux. I successfully ran the popular Affinity Designer on Linux using a compatibility layer, despite it being initially unavailable for this platform. This software, typically known for its smooth performance on Windows and macOS, faced challenges adapting to Linux systems. However, by employing Wine, an open-source program that enables running Windows applications on Unix-like operating systems, I managed to get Affinity Designer operational on my Linux setup. Elecrow CrowPanel Rotary Display Overview. The Elecrow CrowPanel is a compact rotary encoder with an LCD display designed for DIY projects. It offers smooth knob rotation and easy integration with microcontrollers like Arduino or Raspberry Pi. The CrowPanel features 4 pins for connection, supports multiple communication protocols, and includes customizable display options. Users appreciate its versatility in home automation and interactive projects. While VM embraces AI-generated code with conditions, Espressif introduces ESP32E22 Radio co-processor. The ESP32E22 is a new radio co-processor launched by Espressif designed to enhance wireless communication capabilities. It targets IoT applications that demand high data rates and low power consumption. This device integrates both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.1, making it versatile for various connectivity needs. The inclusion of a dedicated radio co-processor helps offload processing tasks from the main CPU, improving overall system efficiency. Mint 22.3 Stallman returns Ubuntu Snap under threat. Linux Mint has launched version 22.3 with improved user experience enhancements, including a sleek interface and refined software management tools. Richard Stallman re-emerged in the open source community after a period of absence, reigniting discussions about free software philosophy. Meanwhile, the Ubuntu ecosystem is facing challenges as its Snap store encounters security threats, prompting developers to reinforce protective measures. FOSS Pulse News, wrapping up another day of free and open source software coverage. Stay free, stay open, until next time.